Did you know that one of the greatest medical breakthroughs in history happened because a scientist forgot to clean his petri dish? It's true. This simple act of forgetfulness led to the discovery of penicillin and ended up saving an estimated 200 million lives. This is the incredible story of Alexander Fleming and the accidental discovery that reshaped medicine forever. Our story begins in 1928, in the notoriously untidy laboratory of a Scottish bacteriologist named Alexander Fleming. Before leaving for a 2-week vacation, he had been studying Staphylococcus, a common type of bacteria that can cause nasty infections. He left a stack of petri dishes on his lab bench and, like many of us before a holiday, simply forgot about them. When he returned, he noticed something strange. One of the dishes was contaminated with a blue-green mold, which wasn't unusual. But what was truly fascinating was what was happening around the mold. In a clear circle surrounding the mold, the bacteria had been completely wiped out. It was as if the mold had created an invisible shield, a kill zone where the staph bacteria couldn't survive. Fleming was intrigued. He realized this wasn't just any mold. This was Penicillium notatum, and it was producing a substance that was lethal to bacteria. He called this substance mold juice at first, before eventually naming it penicillin. This was the world's very first antibiotic. However, the journey from mold juice in a petri dish to a life-saving drug was long and challenging. Fleming published his findings, but the scientific community didn't immediately grasp the full potential. It took another decade, and the work of a team of scientists at Oxford University, Howard Florey and Ernst Chain, to figure out how to purify and mass-produce penicillin. Their work came just in time for World War II, where it saved countless soldiers from infections that would have otherwise been fatal. Fleming's story is a powerful reminder that sometimes the greatest discoveries come from the most unexpected places, from a moment of distraction, a messy lab bench, and a curious mind willing to look closer. It shows the incredible power of scientific accidents and the importance of paying attention to the details others might overlook. So the next time you misplace something or forget a chore, just remember Alexander Fleming. You never know what world-changing discovery might be waiting just around the corner. Thanks for watching. If you found this story as fascinating as I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible tales from the history of science. See you next time.